$70 Bug, one owner, original interior intact, well, a little ripped. All of it smells like a Bug, rare semi-automatic, original headliner. Go. I like the 70 1600 single port. Very cool. I can't wait to get this running. Condo. Nice little condo complex in here. How about that? Oh my god, look at the acorns. Oh my god. Who was in here? Yeah, Meals on Wheels. There you go. The carcass is in there. Everything looks all stock in this thing.
Yes,
well, I can imagine. You're gonna have to bypass the gas tank. Just, you know, just get another.
Well, you know, the good thing is the dome light went on me.
No kidding. All right, there we go. Charging the battery. Okay. It's got the right vacuum advance, dizzy. It's got all of it. The opening and closing? Get our hopes up, huh? Yeah, no clamps on any of the hoses, even the paper hose here. Usually, you know.
Maybe they didn't have clamps. They stopped because they were, you know, 5 cents a car and save all that money.
Unless it was maintenance done and. The buzzer's working. Nice. Oh, there you go. Look at that. All right. Time.
Boy, if this runs, it'll be exciting. Okay.
The water drain is all there too. These are usually taken out.
Gravity then.
Right.
It has to be up here. There we go.
There we go.
Then we'll just run the hose down to the car.
All right.
Got it.
Stick that in there. So you're bypassing the fuel pump. You're just going to do a gravity feed.
Right, gravity feed.
Come on, baby. Let's see.
Hold on.
Hang on. Should we push like?
I'll wait for your cue.
Hold on.
Hang on.
What do you think?
I don't know.
See what happens.
Ready?
Yep. Nothing, right?
Nothing. Contact. Contact.
Buzzer's on.
Nothing.
A little bit. I hear a little click in the starter area.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, try it.
Sometimes just a wrap of the old starter will get it to crank. Because semi-automatic starter is a different type of starter. That's what's up. We got our fuel tank hooked up.
Gas pedal doesn't work. Can't push down on the gas pedal. Hit it.
It looks like the arm is frozen here, so it doesn't want to. Throttle arm is not moving. I'm trying to put a little loop here on the shaft, so get this freed up.
Man, that is gummed up. You know, probably just take the carb off. I think it'd be a lot easier to take it apart and, troubleshoot it.
Got it.
Got it.
Take a look just to see, if there's gas in there, what's moving, what's not moving.
Oh my God.
Well, it's got gas. It's a nice color of mud too.
Yeah.
Look how dirty it is inside.
That's sticky. There it goes.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, that looks nice.
Okay, where did all the needle and seats go?
Man, this smells ripe. God. Bend this little tab up. No?
That's good.
It's like glue in the bottom of the bowl.
Yeah.
And you can scrape it with a screwdriver. Got it. Delicious. Okay, I'm gonna give it a bath. Goes in.
Carbonol. Yum. That's a beauty. Alright, cleaned her up, put her back on.
Contact!
Contact.
Nothing.
Oh, you gotta hit the starter again.
Oh,
Just in time, we need some luck.
contact.
Contact. No. Hit it again. Oh my God!
You got out of the way.
Crazy people work.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Whoa. Holy cow. Whoa. Right?
Like Herman said, dirty oil is better than no oil. Freaking thing's purring.
I started in 20 years. It's like a Woody Allen movie.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's something popular. Look at that.
Wow.
That is amazing.
That is awesome.